Previously on Baby Bunnies.
Breathing for you. Breathing for you.
It's a movie. We're gonna watch it. We're gonna get you caught up. It's a classic. Okay, so that was your question. It's not a classic. What are you putting over there? Who's plugged? Like over there on the table. I'm telling you, we have to get detail. Stop laughing. Are you ready? For Snapchat. I want to see my Instagram.
Breathing for you. That's all that I do.
Say it again.
You have a line. I remember it. So do I. Oh, please, Mr. Woodsman, spare this tree. Let me be. Let me be. I was awful. They applaud.
We'll try some try. Do all that. That's great. Keep it one direction. Don't go forward. Okay. Keep it one direction, and then at the very end, that goes. Spare this tree. Spare this tree. Just drop your head to it and go. I was awful. You see that? I was awful. What's that? I was awful. It's a joke, and you laugh. So try to do
Day 3.
Breathing for you. That's all that I do.
Those are solid. I mean, you gotta be just a little more erratic. You shaking thing, that's kind of cool. You gotta, those are all physical things. You gotta internalize it a little bit more now, and just really make, that last bit more vocal. I think it'll
Can I say something
help
too?
you more.
I feel like what would make it so dangerous is like when you get up to talk to her, like once you say what you say, like you piss your, how do you feel about like snatching her shirt? Like,
and the lines that you have afterwards, you know, you're a reasonable person. You know, physicality isn't going to bring $1,700 to you.
Right.
Or
And
it's
she's the fix-it person. She's not going to create any drama
okay.
in the house. You know what I mean? She's not going to. She's already at the onset trying to remedy this so that she can help to be the reasonable, logical, rational person. A rationally reasonable, logical person is not going to resort to violence.
Okay.
You know, that's a good point though, because I see where you're going with that, and that's cool. And I've been in households like that because you know I've had mothers that would jack you up and throw you out the house, but this is not. I don't think this is would
Right.
serve. I don't think it would serve this character.
Yeah. You guys want to take those and apply it out there in the lobby, or even if you want to just sit somewhere and just think about it, that's cool too. Don't feel like you have to go right back into it. But just think about those things. You know, raise the stakes. My biggest thing, overall thought for both of you.
Conversational as opposed to breaking it up as much as she's breaking up her lines. I mean, she's
In the beginning, more so, yeah.
She's just breaking it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Put it all together.
Yeah, tighten it up a little, flow it a little bit better.
Yeah.
You know, because
For you.